Are you ready for the biggest billion-dollar cover-up in Apple history? Stop scrolling and listen very closely. The entire tech industry is being completely manipulated right now. Apple recently wrapped up their massive March 2026 event. They showed off shiny new gadgets and everyone clapped. But it was all a giant distraction. Apple is currently setting a massive trap for your wallet. They're desperately trying to hide the heavily rumored 2026 iPad 12th generation from the public. Why? Because this upcoming budget tablet is so ridiculously powerful that it will instantly kill the sales of their expensive iPad Air and iPad Pro. If you walk into an Apple store and buy an old tablet today, you are falling exactly into their trap. You will deeply regret your decision by the end of this year. The latest leaks surrounding this delayed release are absolutely terrifying the competition. Let me expose the brutal truth about what is actually happening behind closed doors in Cupertino. The hype completely exploded yesterday when the most famous tech leakers on X, formerly Twitter, started dropping massive truth bombs. This is not a boring yearly update. This device is a complete market destroyer. The absolute legend Mark Gurman posted from his verified account and sent shockwaves through the internet. He confirmed the entry-level iPad 12 is finally getting the massive A18 chip paired with 8 GB of RAM. This means full Apple intelligence is coming to the cheapest device Apple makes. Then the famous supply chain expert Ming-Chi Kuo tweeted a huge warning to his massive audience. He stated we must expect the new iPad to feature the highly advanced N1 wireless chip. This brings blazing fast Wi-Fi 7 speeds right to the budget lineup. Another top verified leaker, Majin Buu, posted on X saying the iPad 12th generation is a literal flagship killer. He highlighted that the smart AI features and photo editing will run entirely on the device with zero lag. Display analyst Ross Young also joined the frenzy to reveal Apple's secret cost strategy. He tweeted that the display strictly remains a 10.9-inch LCD at 60 Hz. Apple is saving massive manufacturing costs by keeping the older non-laminated screen. This allows them to afford that expensive A18 brain inside. Finally, the highly accurate handler Shrimp Apple Pro posted on X about the physical body. He confirmed the flat aluminum edges stay exactly the same, but the internal battery efficiency reaches an insane new level. These 5 major X posts from the absolute most trusted handlers prove this delayed tablet is an absolute powerhouse. It will completely rewrite the rules of budget technology. But the hard evidence does not stop on social media at all. The exact same news is aggressively flooding in from major international tech websites all over the entire globe. In the United States, 9to5Mac published a highly detailed report exposing a secret storage upgrade. They confirmed Apple is finally killing the useless 64 GB model and doubling the base storage up to 128 GB. Over in Japan, the highly respected site Makotakara published a massive supply chain leak. When translated to English, their report confirms the new iPad will keep its familiar body but focus entirely on raw internal processing speed. In China, the major publisher Gizmo China dropped a huge bomb regarding the global cost. Translated to English, they reported that Apple is strictly holding the starting price at just $349 to completely dominate the Asian education markets. Meanwhile, in India, the famous publisher Digit pointed out a brilliantly hidden detail. They noted that the non-laminated 11-inch screen makes the front glass incredibly cheap to repair if a student drops it. Over in the United Kingdom, TechRadar reported the brutal truth about the missing release date. They confirmed Apple intentionally delayed the launch to the fourth quarter of 2026. They did this so it would not ruin the spring sales of the newly released and much more expensive iPad Air. Finally, in France, the major tech site Les Numériques noted a premium software feature crossing over. When translated, They stated the new budget device will flawlessly support Stage Manager for desktop-level multitasking. 6 completely different global publishers are all exposing the exact same crazy details. Apple delayed this budget tablet because it is simply too good for the low price. Let's break down all these massive leaks into 3 quick detail cards so you know exactly what is coming. Picture these specs in your mind. Here is the first card for absolute brain and power. An A18 Bionic processor. Massive 8 GB. Apple Intelligence enabled. Wi-Fi Shapte Connectivity. Advanced Neural Engine. Insane battery life. Next generation Siri. Desktop class multitasking. Now let us look at the second card for the screen and body design. 11-inch LCD display. Smooth 60 Hz refresh. Flat aluminum chassis. Non-laminated touch panel. Beautiful bright colors. Landscape front camera. Cheap glass repairs. Highly durable build. Finally, here is the third card for the price and launch window. $349 starting. 128 gigabytes base. 512 gigabytes maximum. Delayed late 2026. Perfect for students. Ultimate family tablet. Kills the competition. Totally worth waiting. So what is the brutal truth that Apple does not want you to know? It means Apple has accidentally created a budget device so powerful that it makes their expensive lineup look like a total ripoff. The brutal truth is that Apple wants you to get impatient right now. They want you to panic and spend $600 on an iPad Air today just to get Apple Intelligence. Do not fall for their trap. Getting a flagship A18 chip, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and full AI capabilities for just $349 is the greatest deal in modern tech history. It will handle 4K video editing perfectly. It will play heavy mobile games without ever stuttering or breaking a sweat. The massive jump in memory means your applications will never randomly close in the background again. You will be able to generate incredible images and rewrite long emails instantly using the built-in AI tools. By simply recycling the older screen technology, Apple saves an absolute fortune in the factory. They take those massive savings and pass them directly to your wallet. If you need a new tablet for school, work, or family use, the upcoming iPad 12 is an absolute no-brainer. You just have to be strong and be patient. Do not buy the older iPad 11 because it will become completely useless and obsolete the second this new model drops. Do not buy the iPad Air unless your daily professional job actually requires a laminated screen. Hold onto your hard-earned cash until Apple drops this unbelievable machine later this year. It will be the biggest tech drop of 2026. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that, and give your best opinion about this product in the comments below.